Welcome to Rendlesham Forest, Suffolk, England. On December 27, 1980, a strange encounter would change the course of UFO history forever. This is Britain's Roswell, and it's a story that still sends shivers down the spines of those who lived through it. It was supposed to be a routine training exercise for 2nd Security Forces Squadron at RAF Woodbridge. But when two U.S. Air Force security personnel stumbled upon strange lights in Rendlesham Forest, their lives were about to change forever. The first sighting took place at around 8 p.m. on December 26. Two U.S. Air Force security personnel reported seeing strange lights in the forest, which they described as metallic and rectangular. Little did they know, this was just the beginning of a series of bizarre events that would leave the military baffled. The next night, December 27, a team of military personnel returned to Rendlesham Forest to investigate further. But what they found would leave them speechless. A glowing object, unlike anything they had ever seen before, was sitting in the middle of the forest. December 26, 1980. The night of the second incident. Two American airmen, Airman John Burroughs and Senior Master Sergeant Jim Penniston, are on patrol in Rendlesham Forest. They stumble upon a strange light source emanating from a nearby clearing. What they witnessed that night would change their lives forever. According to Burroughs and Penniston's testimony, they approached the object cautiously, observing it from a safe distance. The object was described as triangular in shape, with a metallic appearance and strange symbols etched into its surface. They took notes and photographs, but the images were later deemed inconclusive. Jim Penniston's notes from the night of the incident reveal a series of cryptic symbols etched into the object's surface. These symbols were later analyzed by experts, but their meaning remains unknown to this day. Theories abound, from alien communication to military experimentation gone wrong. The Rendlesham Forest incident remains one of the most well-documented UFO cases in history. While some attribute it to misidentification or hallucination, others believe that this event was a genuine encounter with an extraterrestrial presence. As we continue our investigation, we ask, what really happened that night in Rendlesham Forest? Dr. Michael Nerlich has extensively studied the Rendlesham case, poring over declassified documents and interviewing key witnesses. He's one of the few experts to have access to the classified files. Camera zooms in on a file labeled classified. According to official reports, the incident began when two U.S. Air Force security personnel spotted strange lights in the forest near RAF Woodbridge. They alerted their colleagues, and soon a team of 6 men converged on the area. The camera continues to pan over the layout, highlighting key locations. Staff Sergeant Jim Penniston was part of the team that responded to the incident. He claims to have made detailed notes and sketches of the object they encountered, including a strange symbol etched into its surface. The camera zooms in on Penniston's hands as he holds up his notes. The Rendlesham case is remarkable not only for its complexity but also for its sheer number of witnesses. Multiple servicemen from different branches and bases reported encountering strange lights and objects over several nights. The camera continues to pan out, revealing the intricate web of evidence. In 1984, after the incident, the MOD collected evidence from the site, including soil and plant samples. These were analyzed for radiation levels and other anomalies. The results revealed an unusual reading on one sample, which some scientists have suggested could be indicative of extraterrestrial activity. The Rendlesham Forest incident occurred just a few days after a U.S. Navy ship, the USS Nimitz, docked at nearby RAF Woodbridge. The crew was conducting a routine training exercise when they reported seeing strange lights in the forest. This has led some to speculate about a potential cover-up. One former MOD official has come forward to reveal that the government was indeed aware of the strange lights and the subsequent investigation. He claims that the UK authorities were in contact with their US counterparts to discuss the incident, but there is no evidence to suggest a cover-up at this stage. Despite numerous investigations and analyses, the truth behind the Rendlesham Forest incident remains unclear. Theories abound, from military experiments gone wrong to extraterrestrial visitation. One thing is certain, this incident has left an indelible mark on British ufology. Despite numerous investigations and attempts to explain the phenomenon, the truth about what happened in Rendlesham Forest remains shrouded in mystery. The U.S. Air Force has dismissed it as a misidentification of a lighthouse beam, but many believe there's more to the story. As we stand here, surrounded by the eerie silence of this forest, one thing is certain: Rendlesham will forever be etched in the annals of UFO folklore. As we conclude this documentary, it's clear that Rendlesham remains an unsolved enigma. But its impact goes beyond the mystery itself. It has inspired a generation of UFO researchers and sparked a national conversation about the unknown. As we look up at the stars tonight, we're reminded that there may be more to our world than what we can see. And in Rendlesham Forest, we'll forever find a haunting reminder of the unexplained.